downtime. But our first stop will be the Little Rainforest. Here is home to many of the shy and reclusive species, so they use camouflage to help blend into the trees. As the case may be, on your right is an okapi. This antelope is actually related to the giraffe, despite having those zebra-like stripes. You can tell this in the head shape. They have a long prehensile tongue that helps them to pull the leaves from the trees, as well as ossicones on their head that are just like the giraffes. Now those white stripes allow them to blend in the trees by mimicking sunlight. So as they pass through the trees, it looks like the sun is shining amongst them. She doesn't have horns, but the bongos have horns on both the male and female. That's because they tilt their head back to walk through the trees so they won't get caught, and makes them so silent they are known as the ghosts of the forest. Also, and if you saw that little head peek up, that's the baby hippo on the other side of Mom. Mom will hide the hippo from many folks, so she's a little hard to see over there. If you do get to see them at some point, baby hippos are born at about 85 to 100 pounds, which seems a lot to us, but you're right. Those are springboks. They stand at about 3 feet tall, but can prompt or jump up to 6 feet high and 13 feet forward. The cattle you see, those are Ankoli cattle, also known as Watusi cattle for the tribe that helped to domesticate them. They were domesticated for those big horns on their head because they're not as heavy as they seem. It's actually a honeycomb structure inside, so that the blood can ride based off the edges of the spots. Maasai have rougher edges to those spots, so folks say that they see more Mickey ears and smiley faces within them. A giraffe can get up to 18 to 20 feet in height, but is born at about 6 feet in height. They have a long drop at birth, but they can walk or run within an hour. And here's some more of them on other side, though this one's kind of hiding. So the wildebeest that you're gonna see as we come around, these are white bearded wildebeest, also known as gnu. That's G-N-U for the new sound they make. If you look at the ones laying down, they are all faced in different directions. That's to keep the whole herd safe. Okay, you see the whole tower of giraffes, but as we come around, there's going to be one shorter than all the rest. That is Humphrey. There's his head poking out. He is only about 3 months old, so he's teeny tiny compared to all the others. 3 months.